Now tell us about a selfie. How do you take a good selfie?
My 8-year-old nephew Rahat can also take selfies these days. उसमें क्या tips देना है?
But still, I mean, what should be the perfect angle and where should be the light and how the
So
pose? I mean,
I'll give you some basic tips, and then I want to see the thought in your mind, okay?
hmm.
Because I know even I take a lot of selfies, and there's nothing bad about it. In fact, I got a message from a friend who runs this fitness place I go to saying, please talk about sweaty selfies after the workout.
Yeah, they're galore on Insta nowadays.
So she wanted me to talk about sweaty selfies. So basics of photography apply even when you're taking a selfie. So there's no rocket science to it, but if you know photography, you can use it in any manner. Like for
Okay.
example, certain pointers that I can give you is one most important is the light.
Mm-hmm.
As I explained, right now the light I have chosen to sit,
Hmm.
is making my face look nicer.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, fresher and everything. So for a selfie, of course, good light is important. Second is background. I'm not in
Mm-hmm.
an ideal background. Like my sister always laughs. Background कौन दिखता है selfie में?
Hmm.
And I always turn around and say photographers दिखते हैं. All of us see backgrounds when we're taking pictures. So it's ideal to not have distractions. For example, if you see those lights and that, those things hanging behind my head and this door, it's bothering me as a photographer. You may have not noticed it.
Yeah, I haven't noticed it.
So for me, as a photographer, if I'm clicking, these are distractions. So
Hmm.
when somebody is seeing your picture, they may not see your face. They might start seeing this. But if you
Yeah.
remove these distractions and put a contrasting background, so for example, in my building, there is a shutter I have. So
Hmm.
every time I'm dressed up and it's right next to my car, I know the light on that shutter is really nice and it's a black shutter. So
Hmm.
black always adds a contrast to my background. So which means me, the subject stands out.
Hmm.
So
Correct.
I go
Yeah.
and take pictures there because I know the light is good. Plus it's black. So there's
Huh.
no distraction.
Huh.
So who
Correct.
becomes the highlight? Me,
Yeah. Yeah. Lovely.
right?
So you mean to say a darker background is ideal?
A contrast background.
Contrast background.
Ideally there are a lot of elements that take to there are photography elements we didn't talk about, but
Hmm.
things like light, composition, subject separation, they're like color, contrast,
Hmm.
patterns, all these
Hmm.
things help you make a good picture. So if I
Nice.
take a contrast plain background, like even you see a lot of these moss walls,
Yeah.
these regular walls on the street you see, and they have moss on them.
Hmm.
I have one of my cousins who's here, whose portrait I created on these moss walls, and they're so beautiful. I love those moss walls because suddenly they make you stand out.
Yeah. Yeah.
Also, the color of clothes you wear is important,
Okay. So
So it
what
should,
is ideal?
no, you can wear whatever, but then you contrast it with the background.
Ah, correct. So the
Or
contrast, I mean, dark,
or
light, whatever.
if you don't have those options, but for example, you've gone for a beach holiday and now you're not going to do all this over there.
Yeah. Yeah. Correct.
The basic thing you can do is focus on the light there. You can focus on a cleaner background. So make sure there are not 10 people or people, somebody's foot in the background who's walking.
Hmm.
Keep it
Hmm.
clean.
Hmm.
And the third and most important is the angle. So,
Okay.
now, like I always joke, nobody takes my pictures. So I take my own selfies and I tell people, okay, I know my angle's the best.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
which angle makes me look good? I mean, of
Yeah.
course, they say it's flattering to, use a top like a 45-degree angle, where you keep it like this here
Oh. Hmm.
from this distance. So it
Okay.
gives more definition to your face. But
Okay.
having said that, I try everything. So, where whatever works for me. So I've even taken pictures from bottom, from close, from top, from side. So I've tried, and now, of course, over time I figured. But angle is very important.
So what? I mean, you should basically keep experimenting till you know what works for you.
Yeah, because I mean, if you're an amateur or if you're just getting started, then it's important that you experiment. You keep
Yeah.
failing. It's very important to fail and make horrible. Like I said, now the first 10,000 pictures are supposed to be horrible.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So make sure you make enough horrible pictures so that you start getting an idea of how to make better pictures.
True.
And having said that, while I know everybody is very selfie obsessed, there's something in the lockdown that I've been experimenting, and I want to seed that thought to people who are watching.
Sure.
It's a concept of creating self portraits.
Okay.
Okay, it's not a selfie, but it's how can you creatively take a portrait of yourself. So what is a
Okay.
portrait? Portrait brings out your personality. It brings out
Yes.
it talks about the environment you are in,
Yeah.
right? So rather than just doing a selfie, what if you had to make interesting portraits using your mobile phone? And I want to show something that I have created, just three of them.
Lovely.
So actually, this was the inspiration. Okay, I saw this light in my mom's room in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
This dramatic light. And
Nice.
then nobody was willing to model for me, so I used this ceramic angel
Lovely.
and I created this interesting picture. And then I said, if I can do this with a model, I mean, with a doll, why can't I do it with myself?
Yeah.
And this is what I created.
Wow.
And it's a selfie, so there is nobody clicking it for me. I have used my hand. Of course, my bicep had good exercise that day.
But the way the light is falling on your face, it's looking beautiful, yeah?
Exactly. It's the same light. So I saw the
Mhm.
inspiration. That's why I told you seeing is the important part.
Yeah, yeah.
So I saw this light and I said, oh, wow. And then I experimented with this and I said,
Hmm.
oh, interesting. And then I said, how can I place myself there?
Hmm. Hmm.
And this
Lovely.
is like a no makeup. And I don't think I even had brushed my teeth here. Because the light comes early morning. The point I'm trying to say, we were talking about beauty and the
Yeah.
definitions of beauty. There's no makeup. It's just as it's how it's composed, how the light is, how I've placed myself, the mood that I have expressed. And this
Yeah.
mood didn't come. I have some 50 horrid pictures which I won't ever show anybody before I got
Lovely.
this one.
Lovely.
This is also part of the same
Wow.
thing. Just my eye.
Amazing.
Same thing, I was experimenting. I told you keep experimenting. So I have this candle stand, I had bought. And if you see these shadows it creates.
Lovely.
Okay, so when I placed it, I said, oh, very interesting and all. And then I got very excited after I created my first self-portrait. So I said, now how can I use it on myself?
Yeah.
So this is what I
Lovely.
did,
Lovely.
you know, to give it like a dramatic look. Now
Amazing.
it's actually I went up to the terrace and there was this window from where the light was really amazing at about 5, 6 o'clock. And then I
Hmm.
kept this thing on the window pane. And then it just, the shadow started throwing on my face. And then I kept adjusting my face to to
Lovely.
and get the mood and make sure the eyes are in a certain position. Now this all has come with experimenting. Like, this is what I've been doing in the lockdown, playing with.
Lovely. Lovely. Looks lovely.
This is the last one. So I spoke about curiosity, right?
Yeah.
So I've been very curious and since I'm bound within my building, I have been exploring, all the restricted areas. So if you see it's a very restricted area, but I have shot a lot of pictures here. And then I
Yeah.
found this broken ladder lying down, okay?
Hmm.
I don't even know how it's standing. It's broken. It's just that one stick.
Wow.
So I said, oh, now what can I do? Of course, I played with it. I have taken again 1,500 pictures, and finally, this is what I created.
Awesome. This is amazing.
Yeah. So this
This
is
is
another.
beautiful, yeah?
So this, of course, I created for an assignment of mine where I had to show suffocation as an emotion.
Wow.
So this is something I played with, and this is actually one of the window grills. So I kept the camera
Wow.
outside the grill and I put it
Hmm.
on the timer. And I kept shutting and opening it, shutting and opening it till I got these shots. So I have a new career coming up.
Beautiful, yeah.
I think I'm going to audition also soon. To acting. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. So
This has been amazing. I mean, these small tips and how you can enhance your photograph with what is available with you in your own house at this point of time.